If you're still using the 1% rule to evaluate rentals, you're either passing on good deals or buying bad ones. That rule is dead. It ignores your actual financing, which is insane in today's market. Your focus needs to be on cash return, combined with cap rate and debt service coverage ratio. This trifecta gives you a real picture of profitability, factoring in your specific loan terms. Consider a $250,000 property. The 1% rule says $2,500 rent. With 20% down, $50,000, at 7% interest over 30 years, your principal and interest is roughly $1,330. Add $500 for taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Your monthly outlay is $1,830. If your rent is $2,500, that's $670 cash flow, or a 16% cash-on-cash return. But if that same $2,500 rent requires a $300,000 purchase price, your cash-on-cash drops to 7%. The 1% rule doesn't differentiate. You're leaving money on the table or buying a dud. Powered by LeaseBase Intelligence.